This product is trending on Amazon US right now, but popularity doesn't always mean it's worth buying. Today, we're diving deep into the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo, a tiny camera with a huge reputation. Some are boldly claiming this is the ultimate portable content creation tool, so powerful it could practically replace larger, more complex camera setups for many users. But can something so unbelievably small truly deliver professional-level results and justify its premium price, or is it just another expensive gadget that falls short in real-world application? The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo is more than just a digital camera, it's a highly integrated, 3-axis stabilized vlog camera designed for seamless content creation on the go. DJI, a brand celebrated for its cutting-edge drones and gimbals, has expertly miniaturized their advanced stabilization technology into this pocket-sized powerhouse. It's specifically engineered for individuals seeking high-quality video without the usual bulk and complexity of a DSLR or mirrorless setup. The Creator Combo truly elevates this, by bundling critical accessories like a versatile battery handle, a compact mini tripod, a wide-angle lens for expansive shots, and, most importantly, a DJI Mic 2 transmitter. This makes it an incredibly comprehensive solution for YouTubers, vloggers, and social media influencers aiming to capture stunning visuals and clear audio wherever their creative journey leads. Let's dive into the core features that make the Osmo Pocket 3 stand out. 1-inch CMOS sensor. This isn't just a number, it's a huge leap for a camera this size. A larger sensor means it captures significantly more light, resulting in vastly better low-light performance, richer colors, and a more cinematic depth of field. This is crucial for footage that truly stands out, whether indoors or during golden hour. It elevates image quality beyond what smaller sensors can achieve. 4K/120 FPS video and 3-axis stabilization. The ability to shoot in stunning 4K at 120 frames per second allows for incredibly detailed, silky smooth slow-motion footage, perfect for dramatic effects or action sequences. But the real magic is the physical 3-axis mechanical gimbal. Unlike purely digital stabilization, this gimbal actively counteracts every shake and bump in real time, delivering buttery smooth video even if you're walking, running, or on the move. Your audience will appreciate the professional stability. 2-inch rotatable touchscreen and active track. 6.0 The brilliant 2-inch rotatable touchscreen is incredibly practical. The link in the description is an affiliate link, use it to purchase and support the channel. Thank you for watching. Like, share and comment which Amazon product you want next to be reviewed.